Century Aerial Bridge. I'm just starting up now for you, Captain.
Okay, very good. Appreciate it.
You will. Calling to fill up our Clark Aerial Bridge on 16.
Clark here.
Channel 10, please, Captain.
10.
10.
Clark here.
Say, Cap, I'd like to drop down and clear some traffic once the Century clears here, and then head right back up for you, if that's okay.
Yeah, go ahead and clear traffic.
All right, sounds good, Cap. Aerial Bridge clear.
Good morning, visitors. Right now, coming through the Duluth Ship Canal, we have the American Century. The American Century was built as the Columbia Star in 1981 by the Bay Shipbuilding Company of Sturgeon Bay, Wisconsin. She measures 1,000 feet in length, 105 feet in width, and 56 feet in depth. She's powered by four 3,500 horsepower, 20-cylinder General Motors diesel engines, which give her a top speed of 14 knots or about 60 miles per hour. She's also equipped with a 1,500 horsepower bow and stern thruster to aid her maneuverability in port. The American Century has 37 hatches on her deck, which open into 7 cargo holds located below deck. She has a maximum carrying capacity of 78,900 tons, and above her deck is a 250-foot self-unloading boom, which allows her to unload her own cargo at a rate of 10,000 tons per hour without the aid of shoreside equipment. The American Century is owned and operated by the American Steamship Company of Williamsville, New York. The American Century was bought, along with 5 other Oglebay Norton ships in 2006, by the American Steamship Company for $120 million. Originally named in honor of the brig Columbia, the first vessel to move iron ore through the Sioux Locks in 1855, she made her maiden voyage from Sturgeon Bay, Wisconsin to Silver Bay, Minnesota in May of 1981 to load iron ore pellets. If you see any crew on board, make sure you give them a big wave and welcome them, or wish them a safe trip. Today, they are loaded up with coal that they got from Superior Midwest Energy Terminal. The American Century carried a record cargo of 70,903 tons of western coal through the Sioux Locks in 1997. Only hauling iron ore pellets or western coal, she is one of 13,000 footers that heard is known as the Captain Salute. It is 1 long and 2 short blasts of the horn, initiated by the bridge, and then initiated by the American Century, and then reciprocated by the bridge.